Have you ever thought people would totally buy this while finishing a craft project? Well, you might be right, because your passion project could be your next paycheck. Welcome to Bonanza Marketplace, where we show you how to turn your DIY projects into real income. DIY isn't just for fun anymore, it's a booming business. From handmade soaps to personalized mugs, the market for unique handmade items is worth billions. Etsy alone hit over $13 billion in sales in 2022. With platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, and even TikTok Shop, it's easier than ever to monetize your creativity. Before you dive in, find your niche. What are you best at? What's trending? And what do people actually want to buy? Use platforms like Pinterest Trends, Etsy's Marketplace Insight, and Google Trends to figure out what's hot right now. Think sustainable decor, handmade jewelry, pet accessories, or wedding favors. Next, let's talk money. A common mistake? Underpricing. Factor in materials, time, packaging, and platform fees. Then add a profit margin. Try the simple formula. Now comes the fun part, selling. Here are a few winning platforms. Etsy is best for handmade, artistic, and personalized items. Shopify and Bonanza are great for full control and a brand-first experience. TikTok and Instagram are perfect for building an audience and making sales. And then there are local markets. Don't underestimate in-person buzz and community support. Want a pro tip? Bundle items, offer limited editions, or run a seasonal sale to boost early traction. A product is great, but a brand is unforgettable. Pick a brand name that's catchy and memorable. Design a simple logo, and invest time in beautiful product photos. They make or break your listing. Then use social media, email lists, and even short-form video to promote your products. Your craft isn't just a hobby, it's potential, it's passion, and it could be profit. Start small, stay consistent, and keep crafting your dream into a business. Thank you for watching.